boy looked at Johnny. Johnny wanted to run. Johnny wanted to move, but the movie kept moving as planned. The boy gripped Johnny. He pressed him against the locker. He drove it in, he drove it home, he drove it deep in Johnny. The boy disappeared. Johnny found his knees, started pushing his head against the locker. Started pushing his head against the locker. Started living mistakenly. Wait, suddenly Johnny gets a feeling he's been surrounded by horses, 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 coming in all directions, white, shining, silver, studs with the nose in flames. He saw horses, 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 leading on a pony, like a phony Moroni, leading on a twist. It goes like this, it goes like this, then you mash potato. To the alligator, and you twist a twister. Like your baby sister, won't your baby sister, give me your baby sister, teach your baby sister to rise up from her knees. To the sweet pea, there's a sweet pea, roll down on your back. See it like that, like that, like that, like that. And when you do the what you see, do the what you see. Pockets there were holes. Johnny's just laying there in his firm coffin. Angel comes up to him and says, "Adventure, show me nothing but surrender." Johnny gets up, it's off his leather jacket, take to his chest. There's the answer. He got penknives and jackknives and switchblades for bird, switchblades for bird. They cry, they scream, say lots of pain. They're pushing through my veins, and I fill my earth with snow. Go Rambo, go Rambo, go Rambo, oh go, Johnny go, and do the what you see, do the what you see. There's a little place called space. It's a beautiful